I know exactly how this feels. I've been through it too. One moment, you're riding high on profits, feeling unstoppable. Then, bam! One trade wipes out weeks, maybe months of gains. Your heart sinks. Your confidence is shattered. What just happened? You're not alone. Over 90% of short-term traders lose money. But here's the real shocker. Most of them never recover. Why? Because they don't know how. Instead, they panic, chase bad trades, or quit altogether. But here's the good news. You can come back stronger if you know the right steps. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to recover from a big loss, rebuild your confidence, and make sure this never happens again. Because the difference between failure and success isn't avoiding losses, it's mastering the comeback. This could be the most important lesson of your trading journey, so stick around. Most traders never recover from big losses. Here's how you can. Number 1. Stop the bleeding. Accept and move forward. Most traders react to a big loss in the worst way possible. Panic, revenge trading, or complete denial. But here's what pros do differently. They stop the bleeding. Take a deep breath. Accept the loss, because fighting it will only make things worse. Even the world's best traders take losses. The difference? They don't let those losses define them. Every trade has an uncertain outcome. Your job isn't to win every time, it's to manage risk and stay in the game. Number 2, the trader's checklist. What went wrong? If you don't analyze your losses, you'll repeat them. So here's the brutal truth. Until you learn from your mistakes, history will keep slapping you in the face. Ask yourself, did I take too much risk? Did I force the trade too early? Did I ignore a red flag in the market? What will I do differently next time? If you can't answer these, you're setting yourself up for more pain. This is the moment where most traders give up. Will you be one of them, or will you rise above? Number 3, rebuild your strategy. Strengthen your trading plan. Here's a tough pill to swallow. If you suffered a major loss, your strategy is broken. You need to fix it, fast. That means using stop losses religiously, adjusting position sizes so one bad trade doesn't destroy you, learning to trade with logic, not emotion. A solid plan protects you from your worst enemy, your own impulses. If you don't fix this now, how much more will it cost you? Number 4, don't let emotions take over. Avoid revenge trading. The biggest mistake after a loss? Trying to win it all back immediately. This is how traders dig even deeper holes. Ask yourself, would you rather recover slowly and smartly or blow up your account trying to get even? The right choice is obvious. Step away, reset, and only return when your emotions are under control. Number 5, small steps to a big comeback. Trade with caution. When you do come back, don't go all in. Start small. Prove to yourself that you can trade profitably before risking larger amounts again. Slow and steady isn't exciting, but it's how winning traders rebuild. Number 6, real-life trading comebacks. Learn from the best. Jesse Livermore, one of history's greatest traders, went bankrupt multiple times, but he always found a way back. Why? Because he treated trading as a skill, not a gamble. If legendary traders can recover, so can you. Number 7, master your mindset. Strengthen psychological resilience. A massive loss can destroy your confidence. But here's a mindset shift. It's not about winning every trade. It's about making the right decisions consistently. Fear and greed are what destroy traders. Discipline and patience are what make them successful. A good trader watches his capital as carefully as a professional scuba diver watches his air supply. Number 8, prepare for the worst. Control your risk. You must know exactly how much you're willing to lose before you enter a trade. Never let a bad day wipe out a good month. You have 2 choices. 1, let this loss break you. 2, use it as a stepping stone to becoming a better trader. The best traders don't just choose number 2, they commit to it. Will you? So, what's your next move? Will you refine your strategy, manage risk? Comment below. What's the biggest lesson you've learned from a trading loss? Stay patient, stay disciplined, and success will follow.
If you enjoyed this video and found the content valuable, please give it a thumbs up share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing updates. Your support helps us create more of what you love. Thank you for watching Stita Pragya, being steady and wise.